Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch Disney Plus on your PlayStation 5, follow these step-by-step instructions to download and install the Disney Plus app on your console. Step 1. Turn on your PS5 and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the Media tab at the top of the screen. Step 3. Select All Apps to view all available streaming apps and services. Step 4. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find the Disney Plus app. Step 5. Select the Disney Plus app and click Download to install it on your PS5. Step 6. Wait for the installation to complete. Once done, the Disney Plus app will appear in your Media tab. Step 7. Open the Disney Plus app and select Login if you already have a Disney Plus account, or Sign Up if you need to create a new account. Step 8. Enter your Disney Plus email and password using the on-screen keyboard. Then log in. You can now start streaming Disney Plus content on your PS5. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.